The sheer reality of turning one substantial long-form video into a consistent stream of ready-to-post short-form clips used to feel completely impossible without hiring an entire editorial army. Just a few short months ago, my routine involved manually scrubbing through hours of raw footage, painstakingly exporting hundreds of small segments, and constantly wrestling with difficult edits. Now the entire process has shifted. I simply feed that same lengthy recording into this powerful AI tool and outpours a library of attention-grabbing clips optimized to perform across every major platform. And the absolute best part of this technological leap is that it doesn't demand an astronomical budget or require weeks of tedious back-and-forth revisions to get right. Today, I am walking you through the precise workflow I use to generate dozens of perfectly formatted Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts from just one source video. We will explore the specific settings that really make this AI system shine, uncover a few neat little hacks to quickly refine the outputs, and automate the entire pipeline until it's practically set and forget. By the time we are done, you will clearly see how to dramatically crank up your weekly content volume without ever having to sacrifice the perceived quality of your final product. For those unfamiliar with my journey, my name is Mitch, and over the last decade building online businesses, the content creation hurdle has always been the same bottleneck. We could always produce great long-form material, but transforming that into consistent high-performing short-form content proved prohibitively time-consuming and expensive for most budgets. Hiring freelancers can range wildly, costing anywhere from $25 to $300 per single clip depending on how intricate the required edits happen to be. And if you look at agency retainer packages, those numbers easily climb into the thousands of dollars every single month, which is simply unsustainable for most growing operations. This specific AI platform completely flips that entire unsustainable script on its head by automating the chop and optimize process. Instead of paying a premium price per edit or constantly chasing down a freelancer, the artificial intelligence takes on the heavy lifting and the system even intelligently schedules posts for peak engagement windows. Why does this shift in production matter so much? Well, because short clips are now the primary gateway to consistent reach for new viewers, replacing the old dominance of long-form thumbnails. If you can reliably push out multiple high-quality clips every single week using your existing library, your brand stays continually in front of untapped audiences. Every single clip you successfully test gives you invaluable data about the specific moments within your content that genuinely manage to hook a viewer's attention. The AI's ability to automatically edit these viral snippets means that your creative iteration cycle becomes incredibly fast, allowing for rapid learning. And finally, the integrated autoscheduler and content calendar simply make the entire process of mass publishing completely painless for the user. So here's the exact roadmap for the demonstration you are about to see. First, we upload and let the AI automatically discover the absolute best nuggets of content. Second, I will dive deep into the critical settings and those small adjustable knobs that have the power to fundamentally change every single output. Third, I will reveal my personal clip creation formula, outlining the 7 non-negotiable elements every single high-performing short needs to succeed. And lastly, once you master the manual refinement process, I will show you how to automate the entire flow so your social channels publish consistently without you being tethered to your desk. Let us begin with step 1, getting everything set up, which simply involves signing up and then successfully uploading your complete long-form master video file. The core of the AI's power comes from its deep analysis of 3 key inputs: the recorded audio, the resulting transcript, and all of the significant visual changes throughout the recording. Crucially, you do not need to worry about having perfectly cinematic fancy footage, because the AI actually performs better when there are clear audio signals and distinct, identifiable moments. Think about surfacing big emotional reactions, sharing incredibly interesting facts, landing a perfectly timed joke, or simply marking a clear change in the overall discussion topic. My personal preference is to upload the raw recording straight from the video conferencing app, or the final, full export straight from the primary video platform. Within just a few minutes, the system returns a comprehensive list of suggested clips, complete with exact timestamps and a calculated confidence score predicting potential virality. From there, you simply scroll through the generated suggestions, preview a small handful of the most promising ones, and select only those that truly align with your established brand style. Now, let's look at a few practical tips specifically concerning the footage you upload to ensure maximum success right from the very start. First and foremost, absolutely crystal clear audio quality matters significantly more than achieving that perfect cinema-grade lighting setup for these shorter formats. If the intended audience cannot clearly hear your message, they certainly will not stick around long enough for the value to actually sink in, regardless of how pretty the visuals are. Secondly, try to include any crucial slides or on-screen text as completely separate visual screens within your main recording, so the AI has distinct visual cues to utilize. Finally, make a conscious effort to record a couple of intentional micro-moments during your initial shoot, like memorable one-liners or quick instructional steps. These carefully crafted moments become absolute gold when the AI surfacing tool eventually picks them out and presents them as highly engaging clip candidates. Moving on to step 2, let's explore the specific settings within the editor that actually carry the most weight in determining the final clip's success. The first major consideration is the output aspect ratio, where you'll select 9:16 for TikTok and Reels, 1:1 for the main Instagram feed, and keep 16:9 for traditional YouTube distribution. You also control the crop focus, deciding whether the AI should primarily keep the speaker's face centered or maintain a wider full-frame view of the scene. The caption style is highly customizable, allowing you to choose from fully auto-generated dynamic text, captions placed on a solid background block, or hard burned-in subtitles. And naturally, you have control over the intro trims, which dictates how much dead air or preamble is cut before the actual value delivery begins. My personal favorite trick here is setting the caption style to something extremely punchy with a bold color that intentionally matches our established brand palette. We emphasize this because well-timed, highly readable captions dramatically increase the overall watch-through rate across all short-form platforms. Also, make sure you really dial in that crucial hook length, because the first 1 to 3 seconds must instantaneously scream you absolutely need to watch this entire thing. While the AI helps by locating the loudest or most active moments, you can always manually nudge the start time back just a half second to capture that critical preceding sound or transition. Here's one subtle yet surprisingly huge setting that influences how much reach you get: optimizing the final clip length for the specific platform algorithm you are targeting. I generally find that exporting clips between 20 and 45 seconds performs exceptionally well for TikTok and those vertical Reels formats. However, I reserve the slightly longer range between 45 and 90 seconds for those specific narratives that absolutely require a bit more compact storytelling context. And don't forget the shortest category, generating super brief 8 to 15 second teaser tests, which is a fantastic rapid way to test out potential titles and thumbnail concepts. Now we arrive at the highly anticipated clip creation formula, which is the set of 7 core elements I distilled from analyzing hundreds of my best performing videos. If you skip any one of these crucial steps, you will almost certainly notice a noticeable drop-off in audience engagement and overall performance metrics. Element number 1 is the strong hook, that single, compelling, attention-grabbing line that must land perfectly within the first 3 seconds of playback. The second part is the context sentence, a quick single line of dialogue designed to immediately anchor the new viewer to the overall subject matter being discussed. The third critical piece is the value nugget, which is essentially the absolute meat of the clip, the core fact, the great idea, or the genuinely funny joke you want to deliver. Number 4 requires a strong visual change, meaning you must cut to relevant B-roll footage, an illustrative graphic, or a reaction shot to keep the viewer's eyes actively engaged. The fifth necessary component is always captions. They must be perfectly readable, fully timed to the speech, and easy for anyone watching with the sound off to follow along. Element 6 involves a clear ending punch or a soft call to action, something that prompts the viewer to maybe leave a comment, drop a like, or check out the original long-form video. And finally, the 7th part is the thumbnail, or the freeze-frame thumbnail, which serves as the all-important cover image that ultimately teases the clip's core value proposition. When comparing this structured approach to hiring freelance editors, you always deal with per-clip costs and highly variable turnaround times that slow down momentum. Many automated platforms are useful, but only perform basic tasks like stitching captions or cutting based on simple word counts, which often misses the genuine emotional beats. In contrast, this AI excels at identifying the true emotional peaks and the micro-stories hidden within your raw footage, formatting them perfectly to platform best practices. The tangible result is that you can perform significantly more tests every single week, leading directly to better, data-driven insights for your future content strategy. Let me share a few of my favorite creative hacks that can really take these automatically generated clips to the next level of visual appeal. One effective technique is a two-phase generation, where you first create a subject-focused clip with a transparent background option, then layer that subject onto completely fresh dynamic B-roll. Another clever maneuver involves using the transcript interface to manually highlight key text segments and then instruct the AI to prioritize those specific timestamps above all others. For extreme optimization, you can leverage thumbnail A/B testing by exporting 4 to 6 slightly different cover image options and running small internal tests to select the clear winner. While manual testing is great for initial learning, true sustainability only comes when you master the art of automation for your entire content scheduling pipeline. My preferred advanced workflow connects the AI output directly to a central source of truth, usually an Airtable base where all content ideas reside. When a new long-form video is added to that central base, it automatically triggers an API call to Vizard to generate the suggested clips and the associated caption files. Then those resulting fully processed clips, along with suggested titles and ideal publishing times, are automatically pushed back into the corresponding row within the database. From that organized central hub, integration tools like Zapier or Make step in to pick up the content and auto-schedule it directly into the preferred social media publishing queue. The entire end-to-end flow means I upload one master video, and less than 24 hours later, an entire week's worth of social posts are already queued up and ready to go live. This level of automation is vital because consistency across short-form platforms is recognized as the single greatest determining factor for overall channel growth in the current landscape. Creators who manage to post frequently and test their hypotheses aggressively are the ones who inevitably capture the largest share of the audience growth pie. This AI technology empowers you to scale that necessary testing volume exponentially without incurring a proportional increase in your production expenditure or workload. Stop paying per individual edit or grinding through manual exports. Instead, you effectively build yourself a renewable content generation machine powered by your existing assets. Before you dive in completely, I strongly recommend you dedicate one full week to posting manually, selecting only the top 10 clips so you can truly feel the performance signals. Secondly, once you start, you must firmly set a non-negotiable posting frequency and absolutely commit to sticking to that schedule so the algorithm learns to expect your presence. You should always iterate and adjust your strategy based on detailed retention graphs, as raw watch time is a far more honest metric than simply counting vanity likes. If a clip demonstrates truly exceptional retention, immediately repurpose that exact moment across all platforms, just making minor necessary format tweaks for each one. And a final piece of generalized advice is that when you are ever in doubt about length or complexity, shorter and significantly punchier content almost always wins the initial attention battle quicker. If you are interested in going much deeper than this overview, I am currently hosting live sessions where we build these complex automations step by step together in real time. By fully replicating this complete system, you will finally stop the constant stress of needing to produce brand new material daily and can instead focus all your energy on making better long-form source videos. Your existing video backlog immediately transforms from a storage graveyard into an endless, self-sustaining factory of highly shareable, high-impact moments. To finally wrap things up, if you are still stuck editing everything by hand, or basing your budget on a rigid per-clip fee structure, you are actively leaving massive amounts of potential reach on the table. This AI solution doesn't just equate to saving you a few hours, it fundamentally multiplies your total weekly output while simultaneously feeding you the hard data necessary for constant improvement. It is certainly not a flawless tool because no software truly is, and sometimes you will still need a human touch for nuanced tone or specific branding adjustments. However, when balancing the crucial factors of high volume, consistent quality, and scalable scheduling, this system represents a complete and total game changer for modern creators. I genuinely challenge you right now to take just one of your long videos, feed it in, and post the resulting 5 tests this week to see how fast you actually learn. That is everything for me today. If you want the exact downloadable templates I use for structuring effective hooks, my preferred caption color palettes, and my specific scheduler timings, just let me know in the comments. Drop a comment saying the word templates, and I will make sure to get those resources over to you so you can implement this entire system immediately. Thank you so much for watching this breakdown, and I sincerely hope this completely changes the way you approach short-form content creation moving forward.